Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gifts for gardeners that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Yimby Tumbler Composter. You judge a hardcore gardener on how they make their compost. Actually, we just made that up. Compost is the #1 thing that every serious gardener should have at the ready, and among the best garden gadgets rests the hand compost tumbler. You're picking one of the most functional, and one of the most crucial items that every gardener needs. Yimby Tumbler Composter comes with solid polypropylene construction, totally BPA-free, and looks fantastic out in the garden. Making compost is all about aeration. Thanks to the slits along the sides and the dual chamber feature, they're able to make 2 batches of differently composed compost and keep it under the perfect conditions. No harmful mold, just healthy, rich compost for a more beautiful garden. And it can also make a perfect housewarming gift for a gardener in your life. Moving on at number 4, we have the Keystore Garden Kneeling Pad. If you're low on gardening gift ideas, look no further. This is something that they don't even know they need, but after this, they'll never tend to the garden without it. You've seen them crouch down or bend over in uncomfortable ways to pluck weeds and prune the plants, and it always results in aching knees or a sore back. Boom! You've just eliminated their biggest problem. Made from high-impact EVA foam, you kneel down, tend to the greenery, and you're good to rock and roll. While it's definitely among a lot of unusual gardening gifts, Keystore Garden Kneeling Pad is ultra-functional and lets them know that you're thinking about their comfort. This is especially helpful if you're buying this for your aging mother or father. They get to continue doing what they love, no holds barred. At number 3, we have the Timber Ridge Folding Camping Wagon. This isn't your daddy's radio flyer. Some garden tasks call for a lot more might. Whether it's tending to the weeds after a long and uneventful winter, or coming back from a 2-week vacation on the Gulf Coast, the garden is overgrown. How are they going to fix it? Timber Ridge Folding Camping Wagon is like a gardener's best friend. Rugged wheels to roll over freshly tilled soil, a high cargo capacity, and the perfect basic to store plucked weeds and general yard waste. It keeps things nice and neat, so there's no crazy cleanup session after the fact. It also includes a few external pockets to store secateurs or pruning shears. At number 2, we have the Keter Easy Grow Patio Garden Planter. They want to keep it green on the inside, green on the out. You're in luck because Keter Easy Grow Patio Garden Planter works both indoors and out. Every gardener needs a planter, but those large, clunky ceramic ones just aren't cutting it anymore. Let's show you why this one is so unbelievably awesome. First of all, you get a great drainage system along the bottom. Just pull the plug, and you're good to go. On top of that, it's set at a great height. Prune the plants sitting down or standing up, it's all up to the gift recipient. This comes in a brown wicker style exterior, or an all-black look, so you can match these neutral colors to their style, and kill 2 birds with 1 stone, gardening and home decor. And finally at number 1, we have the Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. They'll think it's a bench, but in reality, it's more than that. You can prop it the right way to kneel down on it, giving you a more comfortable way to prune the garden. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat is a simple gift, inexpensive, and provides enough tool slots along the side to make it convenient above all else. No constant getting up and down, which would nullify the point of the gift, really. Be sure to also check out our list of the best camping chairs for more great items like this.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.